Hi guys! Natapos ko na yung remake ng cellphone bag dun sa previous video ko, and right after that, my older sister asked me if I could make her a cellphone pouch. So syempre, go agad! Ang saya rin kasi ng may bagong project na naman. Actually, matagal ko na talagang gustong subukan yung design na gawa sa 4 granny squares. And lagi ko siyang nakikita online and it always catches my eye. Simple lang pero ang ganda ng dating kaya perfect timing yung request ni ate. Sakto siya sa gusto ko ring itry. And if maganda ang kalalabasan, bala ko rin gumawa para sa sarili ko, one for my phone and maybe isa pa for my tab. I'm so excited! Every time na may bago akong project, lalo na yung mga first time ko gawin, I really feel challenged. Challenge? Kasi after every project, ang sarap sa pakiramdam, super self-fulfilling. For this project, I'll be using Indophil yarn and my go-to 3.5mm hook. Classic combo ko yan kapag gusto ko ng relaxing pero rewarding na piece. And based sa color, siguro naman, nahuhulaan nyo na kung anong design ang gagawin ko, diba? That's it for now. I'll share updates as I go along. And of course, ipapakita ko rin ang finished product soon. And if gusto nyo rin ng gantong style, let me know. Baka makagawa rin ako for you. Okay? If you like this video, please don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. And see you sa part 2 for the finished project.